Sticks in the palette are very pigmented and very opaque. I really like the fact that the shades in this palette as a blush, and also you can use them as a lipstick that they are, which I really liked. I like the fact that the packaging is very compact and very lightweight, so when you want to travel, you rest assured that you have all the shades of the lipstick that you really want to use, because you have the nude shades you want to use on this, that you want to do that makeup look, and you also have the pink on this that you want to feel, you know, really high, and you know, all that stuff. And there's also an option for a red lipstick on this that you want to, you know, shine bright like a diamond, like I am right now, which I really like. I really like this palette a lot in case I want to travel, which would be very handy on this, that I don't want to pack a lot of, you know, products, or you don't want to pack a lot of makeup in your bag. I can easily take this with me without, you know, having to worry about ones to choose from, which I really like. The second one from on the first row right there, that's the only one that felt like, you know, a natural everyday makeup lipstick, which you can just easily top up with a lip gloss. That's the only one that in the palette that's, you know, very sheer on the lips and not as opaque as the rest of the palette, because I think it's actually a lip gloss for me. So apart from that, all the shades of the lipstick in this palette are stunning. They are absolutely stunning. I mean, look at my lips, guys. Look at my lips. What do you think? They're very opaque, they're very pigmented, they apply smoothly, and they felt so smooth on the lips. And this red one I have on my lip is matte, but it's not drying at all. It's, you know, it's just there, you feel it on your lips, and it's very nice and very opaque. I really like it because this one I have on my lips is my favorite so far. But apart from that, I've also tried this last shade in the palette, which lasted for about 4 hours, because I used it to do a makeup tutorial, which I don't know if I'll be posting before this one. But apart from that, this palette is really worth buying, coupled with the fact that if you had to buy a lipstick on their own, you know, it's going to cost much more than this palette. The packaging is very sleek, very compact, and, you know, very lightweight as well. So those are my thoughts about the Pixi and Dolce Candy collaboration. Really loving the Pixi collaboration with the beauty influencer, because all the products were actually on point. I mean on point. You can already tell from this lipstick so far. So you can already tell from this lipstick, really, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.
I love the way you kiss, the way you rock. I love the way we're breathless with the wild. I love the way you call me little child, and I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the skies, I can't get much more higher. You love the dreams we have since we're the wild, and I will never let you go. I love the way you kiss, the way you rock. I love the way we're breathless with the wild. I love the way you call me little child, and I will never let you go. I love the way you kiss, the way you rock. I love the way we're breathless with the wild. I love the way you call me little child, and I will never let you go. Oh,